Hello everyone, it's Crystal. You probably know how to use the terms fit, match, and suit when you talk about clothing, but how about when you talk about people? I remember my Korean friend once tried to tell me, "You and your boyfriend really match well." I could guess what my friend was trying to say, but that sentence sounds a little strange and unclear. Do you know why? Like I said in my previous video, we have to be careful when we use the verbs fit and match when we talk about two people, because usually those sentences will sound a little strange, like he fits you, he matches with you. All of these sentences sound a little unnatural because we do not use fit and match when we talk about two people. We can use the verb suit when we talk about two people, like he suits you. This sentence is grammatically correct and it sounds natural, but there are other expressions I would probably use instead. Some basic expressions that I might use are, they are a perfect match. They go good together. Both of those sentences express that basic idea of two people being a good combination. Another interesting way to express this idea is with the idiom, a match made in heaven. This means that the couple is so perfect for each other, it's almost like destiny. So we can say, Lily and Tom are a match made in heaven. So Lily and Tom are so perfect for each other, it's almost like destiny. We can also use this expression when we talk about objects, not just people, such as crispy fried chicken and a cold beer are a match made in heaven. That means that I think fried chicken and beer are a really great combination. When we talk about two people being a couple, we often use the term to have chemistry or to have good chemistry together. When there is a strong emotional or romantic connection between two people, we say they have chemistry together, like two people mixing together nicely, kind of like two chemicals mixing together in a good way. So we could say, you guys have great chemistry together. Or we could say, those actors in that drama have great chemistry together. So if there is no chemistry between two people, no emotional or romantic connection, we can say zero chemistry. Like, we have zero chemistry between us, which means that there is no emotional or romantic connection between us. Remember that chemistry is almost always used when we talk about romantic interests or implied romance, like between actors. So we do not usually use this term when we talk about friends. I hope that this video gave you some ideas on how to express when two people are a good combination. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them down below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe, and until next time,